In this video, I want to talk about how you can pay with coins on AliExpress. Now to do this, you need to use your mobile phone and you need to download the AliExpress app. Inside of there, you want to log into your account and then you want to head over to the coins section. Inside of there, you will be able to have one called discount finder or discount offers or something similar to that. And you just want to go in there and it will show you a bunch of different items. Now, once you found one, you just want to select it. And inside of there, you will be able to use your coins to buy this one. So, like I said, this is only usable from your phone and you need to download the app called AliExpress. Now, once you've done that, just head over to the coin section and everything that you're looking for is in there. Now, I hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.